The NB Network with Dee Sparta.
Hello, welcome to the NB Network, and it's me, Dee Sparta. Kind of exhausted. I just recorded a tarot card reading video for Lunar Blessings, which is things, what to expect, what, the theme going into 2021 for people, and that was exhausting. But I ended up getting this box in the mail today. And yeah, so I guess it's December's GlossyBox. So there's a box inside. I forgot how Boxy does it. I mean GlossyBox. GlossyBox is super cool. It's gorgeous. This box is best time of the year. And I got a bunch of gift cards for wine and jewelry and meals. But anyway, I have no idea. I can't remember how I got this, why I got it, and what to expect. But GlossyBox has always been, they have a theme. You don't pick anything. It comes to you. And things are best packaged so well, so adorably. I just adore it. Do. Let's see here. Do I have a card in here with what? No, I don't see any card. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can pull up some prices, and we'll be right back so I can unveil to you what is in here. Okay, I am back, and I found out how I got this. I just remembered in the mail. They're like, hey, come back to GlossyBox, and it's $1. Get your first box for $1, and I was like, okay. So yeah, I just paid $1. Normally this box is $21 if you go month to month. If you pay month to month but are willing to make a 1-year commitment, it is $18 a box. So, but you have more flexibility if you pay the $21, just so you know. Just keep that in mind. You can also prepay, buy in advance, 3 boxes at a time and 12 boxes at a time, and you do get a discount. So now I was able to find some product information online, and I actually see a copy of the card that normally would come in here. And I'm thinking, because I did not order this in November, and that this was a $1, that's why I am not getting the special card that normally does. And that's okay. The box is sold out, and I'm happy to have it. Now, the first thing is, I'm going to pull out here there is a coffee scrub from Mind Tan, Body and Skin. I do really enjoy a good coffee scrub. I get these and I'm like, yay! The way it just brightens up the skin. This coffee scrub, this is the travel size of it, and it's $19.95. Oh no, the full size. Travel size is $15. That's not much of a difference. $15 for this. Okay, you better exfoliate and make things look luminous. My face better be luminous after this. Now, okay, I did get the CBD rose face mask. I'm not a big fan of roses, but CBD stuff is actually really good. And okay, so other people were getting a lavender or peppermint. They must have ran out. And so I got the rose one. I would have loved lavender or peppermint so much better. But hey, and this sells for $9.99. This is a face mask. Other people were getting feet masks. The other things were feet masks. Okay. I'm glad I got the face mask, even though it's rose, but maybe it's not too strong. Let's hope. And then there is a smoothing coconut bio eye mask. I love a good eye mask because my poor eyes, I am an old gal, folks. I'm 48. So this for your eyes, and this mask is $6. It's from K-Glow, from Korea with love. I do like a lot of the Korean beauty products. They really are nice. Okay, so there's a lot of skincare. GlossyBox, sometimes you get more makeup, sometimes you get more skincare, sometimes you get a both, but it changes. They kind of different theme going, and you kind of know what you're going to get. So if you do go just a month to month, and you can skip a month or be like, no, I'm not interested in this month, you can do all that. Now I got nude sticks. It's a full size gel color lip and cheek balm. Okay. And this is $26. Ugh. Ooh. It's a nice color. I wouldn't use this on my cheeks though, but I would use this on my lips. $26. It better be good. And this is a full size one of it. Wow. Okay, so now I do have Christophe Robin Scrub Levant Purifiant. Okay, I'm now reading. It's cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt. I was trying to read the French, not realizing it was French. Okay, and this, there's the Deluxe Mini, which is $8.48 in the full size. That does cost $53. This is the Deluxe Mini. Still $8.48. That's pretty good. I can't wait to try this on my face. And one thing in here, last thing in here is also a Deluxe Mini. And this is, Aptogen Deep Moisture Cream. Youth to the people. I need to look youthful. And this Deluxe Mini is $18. The full size, which is 2 ounces, is $58. I am looking forward to some of the skincare products. I really am, because some of it I might be gifting to friends, but others I can see I'm going to use. And I paid $1 for this box, so hey, I think I got my money's worth. But even if you had paid the $18 or $21, you definitely do get your items, because you do get some really nice, more luxury items that do cost a lot, but you're getting a great deal, and you're getting it from a lot of independent companies, and it's a lot of fun. So, yeah. This video is really a lot shorter than I had expected or wanted it to be. I think I'm getting January and February's GlossyBox, and then I'm not anymore. But hey, that's okay. I also like to reuse these boxes to hold things and for organizing. Sometimes you need little small containers to keep things in and put on shelves. And these boxes are great for reusing like that. I think because they are so adorable. And then I've also used some of these boxes to package up gifts for my own friends, because it's fun. So, if you like this box, let me know what you think of it. I think there's a whole lot. I think these things are really overpriced, okay? I'm gonna be real with y'all on that. But yeah, this was a fun, cute box, and I love the box that it came in a whole lot more. I think I'm more obsessed with this part than what was in it. Oh me, oh my. I'm tired. It's time for lunch, and I will see you next time here on the MB Network. I love y'all. Bye.